Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What I'm showing you today is my favorite recipe for some crooked neck squash. I keep wanting to say crooked necked squash. It's hard to say for me, so I don't know why. But anyway, I got an abundance of veggies, like I said, at my local farmer's market. I'm super excited about it, so let's get started. What I got done here is my little yellow squash. I've got 2 of them in here that I've cut up just, you know, not real big, not real small, but I left them a little bit nice and chunky because I want them to kind of keep their texture a little bit. And here I've got about a small onion chopped up in there. This is so simple to make, and this is my favorite recipe for yellow squash. I love it, love it, love it. I can't even tell you how much I love this stuff. What you're gonna do to this is add about a half a teaspoon of just onion salt and just a little bit of black pepper, or a lot of black pepper, whatever you like. I like a lot. Y'all know me when it comes to pepper and stuff, right? Then on the stove here, I've got a nice sized skillet come to temperature with about 1/4 of a cup to a 1/2 cup of oil in there. It's not a 1/2 cup, it's about 1/4 cup of oil. I'm just gonna combine this together. This is so good. This is how my mama always fixes it, and it is absolutely delicious. Once you get that nice and combined, you're gonna shake you a little bit of cornmeal in there, just enough to coat it really well. And it's gonna make this nice, it's gonna crisp up to this nice golden brown deliciousness. For 2 squash, I probably used less than a 1/2 cup of the cornmeal. I'm just going to stir it around. Oh, I can't even tell you how delicious this is. I've got my pan on about medium. Like I said, this is about 1/4 cup of oil, maybe a little bit more, depending on how many squash you use. Then what you do is you just dump this right in there. I'm going to leave this alone and not touch it for a couple minutes, and then I'm just going to start turning it occasionally, just like you would if you're frying potatoes. I'm telling you, this is magic in your mouth. Look at the nice, beautiful, oh my goodness, the golden brown color on there. That is exactly what you're looking for. You see that? Going in for a dip, because I can't wait. My squash is done, and now we are going to plate this up. Look at that, look at that. Look at that, nice little chunks there. This is my favorite way to make yellow squash. You already know I'm going in for a bite of this. I've had a couple bites while it was cooking, just because I couldn't help myself. This is so good, it's so hot. That's what I like when my mom invites me over for dinner, because I always know I'm gonna have something really good like this. Love it. It's very hot. Mmm. Mmm. I have no words for how delicious this is. It's so hot, it's making my nose red. I gotta have one more bite. Look at that. Look at that, how golden brown and nice and beautiful. I don't even know what to call it. We just say we're frying squash. Fried squash. Mmm. Something about the coating with the cornmeal together with that squash just makes it absolutely amazing. And the onions in there, Lord child, I can't even tell you how amazing this is. You know I love you guys so very much, and I appreciate you watching my videos. Make sure you share them. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you know the next time that I upload a video, which I got several of them coming your way. Nothing else to say. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.